The 8 best AI video generators for creatives. AI-powered video generators are revolutionizing content creation, making high-quality video production more accessible than ever. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a marketing expert, or just someone looking to create eye-catching videos, AI video generators can handle the heavy lifting. With major brands and even film festivals like Tribeca embracing AI video tools, it's clear that this technology is reshaping the industry. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best AI video generator for your needs? We've done the research and compiled a list of the top 8 AI video generators, breaking down their features, strengths, and areas for improvement. What is an AI video generator? An AI video generator is a tool that automates the video creation process using artificial intelligence. Instead of manually editing clips, adding effects, and syncing audio, these platforms streamline the process by selecting visuals, generating transitions, and even producing voiceovers with AI avatars. Simply input text, images, or other media, and AI transforms them into a polished video, allowing you to focus more on storytelling and creativity rather than technical editing. How do AI video generators work? These tools leverage advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze and process inputs. Whether it's text, images, or video clips, AI interprets the data, structures it into a coherent narrative, selects appropriate visuals, and adds effects, all in minutes. The more data the AI processes, the better it becomes at making creative decisions and producing high-quality results. For example, if you provide a script, an AI video generator can create corresponding scenes, choose relevant imagery, and even add a natural-sounding AI-generated voiceover. How we chose the best AI video generators. To determine the best AI video generators, we focused on key factors such as ease of use. The best AI tools should simplify video creation for users of all skill levels. Feature set, customization, text-to-video, AI avatars, and voice synthesis enhance the experience. Pricing. We compared plans to ensure they offer value without excessive costs. Output quality. The AI-generated videos should look professional and engaging. Now, let's dive into the best AI video generators available today. 1. AI Studios by DeepBrain AI. Best for lifelike AI avatars and seamless video creation. DeepBrain AI's AI Studios is an all-in-one tool designed for creating educational videos, marketing content, and AI-powered presentations. Its standout feature is the vast library of 150-plus AI avatars that add a human touch to your content. Additional features include script generation, voice cloning, and text-to-speech. Where AI Studios could improve. While it's a powerful tool, it lacks widespread brand recognition, which may limit its adoption. Pricing. Free plan, $0. Personal, $24 month. Team, $55 month. Enterprise, custom pricing. 2. Luma Dream Machine. Best for cinematic AI-generated videos. Luma Labs' Dream Machine creates stunningly realistic AI videos from text or images. With incredible motion accuracy, it produces Hollywood-level results in just minutes. Where Dream Machine could improve. Processing times can be inconsistent. Some generated videos contain motion distortions or random elements. Pricing. Free plan, $0. Light, $7.99 month. Standard, $23.99 month. Plus, $51.99 month. Pro, $79.99 month. 3. Runway Gen 3 Alpha Best for dynamic and high-quality AI-generated videos. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha model is designed for text-to-video, image-to-video, and multi-motion brush editing. It offers precise control over motion, realistic human expressions, and cinematic quality. Where Runway could improve, premium features come at a higher cost. Occasionally, the AI-generated motion can look unnatural. Pricing. Basic plan, $0. Standard, 12-month. Pro, 28-month. Unlimited, $76 month. Enterprise, custom pricing. 4. Synthesia. Best for AI-generated avatars with text-to-video functionality. Synthesia makes creating professional videos effortless, even for beginners. Simply input a script, choose an avatar, and the AI transforms your text into engaging video content. Where Synthesia could improve. AI avatars have limited customization options compared to other platforms. Pricing. Free plan, €0 month. Starter plan, £20 month. Creator plan, $59 month. Enterprise, custom pricing. 5. Revid AI. Best for social media content creation. Revid AI specializes in creating viral-ready short-form videos, making it ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It assists with idea generation, script writing, sound effects, and editing. Where Revid AI could improve. Limited scope, great for social media but lacks versatility for other video types. Pricing. Hobby, $49 month. Growth, $49 month launch offer. Ultra, $109.99 month. Six. Colossian Best for large businesses and corporate training videos. Colossian offers AI avatars, multilingual support, and an intuitive AI script assistant that helps businesses create high-quality training and marketing videos. Where Colossian could improve. Can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. Pricing. Starter, $19 month. Pro, $61 month. Enterprise, custom pricing. 7. HeyGen. Best for AI avatar video creation with multilingual support. HeyGen lets users create videos in over 40 languages, making it ideal for global content. It provides realistic AI avatars with natural speech abilities. Where HeyGen could improve, the free plan limits users to just 3 videos per month. Pricing. Free plan, $0. Creator plan, $24 month. Team plan, $69 seat month. Enterprise, custom pricing. 8. Hyper AI. Best for AI video beginners. Hyper AI offers an easy-to-use interface and a generous free plan allowing up to 10 creations per day. Where Hyper AI could improve. Free plan includes watermarks and lacks commercial use rights. Pricing. Free plan, $0 month. Explorer plan, $8 month, billed yearly. Pro plan, 24-hour month, billed yearly. Enterprise APIs, custom pricing. The future of AI video tools. AI video generators are rapidly advancing, offering highly realistic motion, AI avatars, and customizable content at an unprecedented scale. While they won't replace human creativity, They provide an exciting way to enhance storytelling, streamline workflows, and reduce production costs. Experiment with these AI video tools and see how they can transform your video projects today.